What's up, y'all? It's your girl Dawn Del Cielo here with a tutorial. I'm gonna do a simple or minimalistic work look for Alexis' request. I already did my foundation because I'm kind of in a little overrush. I washed because I'm coming after work now. I'm doing another event with my friend for his company, so I gotta look like not shit. So I don't know, I'm this kind of person, like I like to start with a clean face, so I wash my face, tone my face. It's almost empty there, damn. But yeah, I have some more here actually, more toner. I did my hydrating primer, full reliable here, and then I already did my foundation. So when I do simple makeup looks, I do my foundation first. But now I'm gonna do my war paint and cover up my flaws, so stay tuned. War paint time. The dark one is to hide my flaws. Well, you can see here we have some dark spots right here. Let's hide those, yeah. Hide those on with color. Hide those. Okay, hide those. And I use the light one to brighten and hide some redness too. That's my little secret trick. Underneath the eyes, looking good. Y'all know me. Maybe you don't, welcome to my channel. I'm Dawn Del Cielo. I like singing and this is who I am. Now we got it blended in. I have my little rainbow blender. And I blend it out in. Blend it out in. Make it all blended. I'm sure we have my mustache. So my friend can tell I have a mustache. Can I get an amen? Amen! Can I get a amen? Yep, that's pretty much it. That's what it's gonna be. And then I'm gonna just take our setting powder, like always, and set my face because I like to stay on. Let's lighten up a little bit. This one's like maybe a little darker than my skin tone is, so this is just a little lighter. Helps it all balance out. Sure, get everywhere when you do your foundation first. Try to get in them eye sockets and get it all set down. Maybe I still have to get a little bit of fires. Something wrong with me. Something's wrong with me. No, that was mine. So there's new blush. I'm actually gonna do a little eyeliner, so this is the really subtle blush. That was like loose on my skin. Cheekers blush, rock and roll. CoverGirl from your local drugstore. You can get this bad boy. Ouch! I for sure broke it down. This little blush brush. Go for my cheekbone or my eyebrow. I know. Okay. Sorry. I'm gonna get my eyes and lips stuffed and highlighted. Camera trouble, but now I'm gonna do our eyes and such. So we're gonna do my eyebrows first. And not do any pencils because I can't find it, so it's somewhere in there, but I'll get that later. Oh, wait for tomorrow. So right now we're just gonna do some eyebrows. I just wanna be bad, 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 but bad, bad. I just wanna be bad, bad. Why am I saying that? Put a little bit of highlight. We're going to use our Sojita palette. We're going to use I'm just going to go with, choose the smoky quartz right here. That looks really nice. This smoky quartz at the bottom right here. Right in my inner corner. I'll get natural as possible, and it's going to be this Mooning by Colourpop. Maybe like real nice 2 rose damage for Kyla, and that's like like I know some people out there is white as hell. None that way. Just like make sure to like just stick to your one skin like color, but like I'm by darker skin, this will look natural on me. So just keep that in mind when you're doing like my highlight and then one eyeshadow color. Just keeping it real simple. And I go word to word, or you want to get any place. You know, my job, I kind of just do whatever I want. I don't know why, but like no care. Not flashlight well. I just wanna be there. Of course, I want my eyeliner, some fly. We fly. I know that you notice. Ballin'. Look kind of look I would do. It's like. They're like, hey, we're gonna have the execs come in to work today. I'll just like this, so they're like, oh, look at you. You look like you're dying. Maybe I can work here. Yeah, maybe we should keep playing this place. Oh, you look so bright and happy. Well, I mean, that happens to me, okay? There's my eyes. Okay. And I have like one nice kind of purpley color. This color's called Spice and Nice from Mary Kay. I love Mary Kay. I'm gonna get this out of the container. And okay, push it out like that. Sorry, like this. You just open it up like that. Oh yeah, nice. Sometimes I would wear before, because I wore my glasses, I usually make my lips up a little bit more. So it's because I like to use. Because pops, like you know it's my natural color, but it pops a little bit, just brings a little bit of color to my face. A little bit, but not a whole lot. But we're still keeping it simple. I'm going to use my Jolie Spectra Stick highlighter. My face spray and set my face and do mascara and then get an outfit because I figure out what I'm going to wear this thing in. So, be back. After that, thank you so much. The go-to got canceled, so I guess it just leaves more time for me to sit here and take photos of myself, and maybe take some covers or something. But this night tutorial will be like 12 to 10 minutes. It's not too long. It looks good. It looks like very naturally pretty. Get my bun there. Can't use this for sure. But yeah, you like what you see, you know, like, share, subscribe to my channel. I love this yellow. I try to do at least one tutorial a week and like one cover a week. So if you want me, follow me on IG at Damareza, and I'll put some makeup details below in the description and more on IG. Okay, thank you for watching.